Good day everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to show you the best tool to use to remove a pinion flange. Just like I got right here in the Ford 8.8. First thing we need to do is to remove the pinion nut. But I'm just going to give that a shot of some PB Blaster. Now there's two tools that I find that work best for this job, and I'm going to show you one of them. And this is the style right here. It's got the legs, you got your puller in the middle, it's a straight pull. The other kind of puller that you could use would be a little bit more difficult because of the thread pitch and everything else, is if you can get a puller that screws into the flange itself and then you screw down on the pinion. So now that I got my PB Blaster on there, the pinion nut is 1 1/16 inch. Came right off. Like anything with a puller can be very dangerous. You got to use some common sense. You got to make sure that the puller is centered, the legs are straight up and down as possible, and don't overexert the force if it's not coming. Need to get my pry bar, it's just gonna keep going around circles, so let's pull her out. Oh, it did pull out. I was expecting the opposite. There we go, we're out. Oh, it did pull out. I was expecting the opposite. There we go, we're out. So there you have it, that's how you remove a pinion flange. At first I thought it was gonna push the pinion down inside, but the path of least resistance wins. So this bearing is basically pressed on. It's an interference fit, but the flange was a little bit easier to come off, and that's why it came out, and that's why the pinion stayed. But the pinion wasn't in there that hard either, because a couple good taps and it came out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.